You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. Yes, it does confuse quite a bit of people, but let's break it down how to pronounce it. It's generally pronounced and quite popular in South Africa, I hear. Riaan. Now, some may pronounce it as, it means little king. Some may pronounce it as Riaan, and I guess sometimes it is pronounced Ryan, but generally the most common pronunciation is Riaan, from Dutch and Afrikaans origin. Riaan. How do you pronounce it and where you're from? Let us know in the comments. Let everybody know so we know a little bit better how to pronounce it. What is the pronunciation, Riaan or Ryan? Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.